Welcome to the Sound of Speed Experience event at Nelson Ledges Road Course.
Welcome. You're watching The Sound of Speed, and I'm SS Bob. There's a lot of people that want to get out here that are afraid to track their cars. They don't want the pressure of other people around them. They really don't want necessarily the competitive experience initially, right? But that's kind of how I got the bug originally. Some friends took me around, and then I started doing it myself, and so we had to figure it out. But this is such a beautiful track. It's a fast track. I can't speak highly enough of it. It's fabulous now. You should come to the event because you really want to experience your car. And this is a nice legal venue to do it, without a lot of pressure, help from others, and that's what we're trying to do, is just have fun and enjoy the day, right? And we can mix it up. And everybody's got, track day. Yeah, it's a little less expensive, but you're in groups, 3 groups, novice, intermediate, advanced, and you're going to run maybe a couple times. But when there's, 5 cars around you competing for a turn, it's some people find that fun and exhilarating. There's a lot of people that will never come and enjoy this.
We open the event with the drivers meeting, followed by group lead follow sessions to help drivers acclimate themselves to the racetrack.
A vehicle onto the track, or we need to dispatch an ambulance, and something has happened. If you see a red flag when you're out there for a car event, you want to pull up to the closest corner worker station at that end.
After a few laps, the drivers receive one-on-one coaching to help them be more comfortable with their cars and feel more confident on track.
I'm ready for another. If you were going to take us out for another one, I'm ready for another one.
Okay, so great. She's driven this car like she stole it before. I'm not kidding you. On the highway?
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah. So I'm going to let her drive this later. So.
There you go.
All right, we're ready. And I just explained to her the cones.
Yeah.
And that the track is a bunch of angles.
Yeah,
right?
Look ahead.
Right, which is what I was explaining to Nick. But now she gets it while we were. It's great.
Where are we at? We're at Nelson Ledges Road Course.
Yep.
In Garrettsville, Ohio. My name is Kevin Moosty, and I'm here because Bob walked over to my house on Thursday about an hour after I bought my car and said it's about time you got a real car, and invited me to come here.
I didn't say that.
Something. You said that's a
I
ZL1.
Said that is a ZL1.
It's,
wow. That's what I said. That's beautiful. Rapid blue. Yeah, you enjoying yourself?
I really am.
Good.
It's a
Cool.
good time.
Very cool.
I don't know that I want to go out there by myself and get too crazy, but following Liam's been a good time.
I mean, honestly, you got to get started. So.
Yep. No, this has been great. I'm glad I came. I was a
kinda why we
little
did it.
nervous, a little anxious, but glad I'm here. And getting a little more time under my belt. I think it'll be fun. I think just going around it. The last session found Liam getting it up pretty good on the back straight. It was a lot of fun. Realize I need new tires though.
The spigot starts.
Yes, but I think I might wait and burn these ones out for a while first.
Okay. Hey, Nance, how are you?
Good, good.
I'm glad you just got home. Hey, I appreciate you coming out to the event today. Sorry I had to drop by here to get the get a little bit of your feedback. But hey, I want to ask you what you thought about the Sound of Speed experience event at Nelson.
I thoroughly enjoyed the event, and there's really not a thing I would change. It helped me love my car again. It was a lot of fun. It's educational. It's well supervised.
Had you ever been on the track before?
No, I had not. I'd never been on that one.
Wow. Have you ever been on any track?
I have been on a track before.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Didn't know. And I think we made it even with your snow tires on.
I'll never forget that. I'm a snowbird, so who would have thought that they would still be back on the tires?
Yeah,
when I got
still
back to
handled
beautiful
pretty well
Ohio,
with the snow tires. on
it did, but I can fly now. I can go so much faster.
Oh yeah. Well, anyway,
efficiently.
okay. Well, hope to see you at another event. So, but I really appreciate your coming.
I
Thanks.
look forward to it.
All right. See ya.
Bye.
After the lead follow sessions in the morning, each driver gets their own private track time. My name is Liam, and I drive a heavily modified BMW 335i. I would consider myself to be an experienced track day driver, and the Sound of Speed Nelson Ledges Experience event was the perfect opportunity for me to get on track and push my car to the very limit without having to worry about other people. Because I didn't have to worry about other drivers on track, I was able to focus on my driving and set my new record lap time. Overall, the event was a great experience. Thank you so much to Bob and the rest of the Sound of Speed crew for making it an amazing day. To end off the video, I'm going to leave you with some B-roll from our friend Dave at Garage Creative. If you came to the event, thank you so much for coming, and if you didn't, I hope to see you at the next one. You can register online at soundofspeed1.com.
What is that, Astro? That sounds like a
I was going to
rabbit
try to do
dog.
a cam, but I couldn't do it.